We started with pigs by accident because we rescued Ginger, who's still here on the farm today, over 6 years ago. And it's kind of just grown from there. Now obviously we farm turkeys for the Christmas market.
People joining the industry under the age of 25 have dropped by about 65% in the last 10 years. We do need that next generation coming in and really energising the industry.
If we don't have people going into farming, we don't have people concerned about how we make our food, how we get our food, the best practices on a farm to make sure that people can trust the sources of their food, we're going to be in a lot of trouble in a few years.